Hey, Chris here, welcome back to the channel. So this video is going to be a betting mastermind review video where we'll be jumping on the laptop here and I'll be showing you all these different systems that you'll be able to get with this betting software. Before we get into it though, I'll just mention the Profit Boss Match Betting Facebook group, which I'll leave a link to down in the description. And for complete transparency, I will say that I am an affiliate for Betting Mastermind, so I do earn a commission if you decide to purchase it through my link in the description. As a thank you to those of you that do that, I will be giving people a free month, so your first month of the Profit Boss VIP membership for completely free, and all you need to do is just email me at the email address down below to let me know that you've done so. But having said that though, getting onto the laptop, we'll scroll down the page here and see that the first thing that you get on here is called bonus bagging. Now, if we go over to the main mastermind page here, so when you sign up, this is the home page that you'll get. So you get an introduction video, you get how to get started without getting overwhelmed video, and then lots of guides here on exactly what to do. But if we go across the top section here and click on bonus bagging, what bonus bagging is it's a system where you literally just request a free sign-up offer, so a qualifying bet to be emailed to you, and I can show you an example here. So you would just click request new bet, and then this is an email that you would get. So it's showing you exactly what the sign-up offer is, what you need to sign up to in order to get it, and it even provides links and everything for you to get this free money, so from the free bet. And then it even goes into detail showing you how much you need to back at the bookmaker, how much you need to lay, and how much money you even need to put into your exchange, into your Smarkets account. And then it tells you exactly the profit that you'll get, so £16.70 as an example in this one. So it's a really clever system for people that aren't really sure what to do. You can just literally click a button and then follow the email's instructions. Then number 2 here on the list is the Profit Maximiser main sort of software. So if we go onto systems again and click Profit Maximiser, you can see here that you just follow the step-by-step instructions, and then you've got all these different tools and softwares here that you can use there. And this is all included, of course, in the Betting Mastermind. It's just basically the Betting Mastermind software is all of these different money-making softwares included into one. So number 3 then is, as I just mentioned, match betting software. So that's just more software to help you make money from match betting. That's just included there. Number 4 is going to be the Each Way Sniper software. So we can go back over to here onto the main mastermind page and go to software and then click on Each Way Sniper software. And this is a software which is going to give you each way horse bets, which you'll just simply be backing and not laying, so they're each way value bets. And it's also a software that you'll be able to use for the extra places strategy. So you'll back a horse each way and then you'll lay that horse over at the exchange and make money when the horse finishes in the extra place. At number 5, we get the Accumulator Generator. And this is, as it says here, Accumulator Generator hedges all possible outcomes and lays against the potential refund. So it has you covered with every possible outcome. So we can go back over to here and find it here, so systems, and then we can go to Accumulator Generator, and you can see here that this is a completely separate software, but again, it is included in the mastermind. And you get a welcome video there showing you exactly what to do. You get the Accumulator tool, Bet Finder tool, so it really shows you exactly what to do and what bets to place in order to make these risk-free profits from accumulators. Then at number 6, we have the EV Maximiser. So we'll jump back over to the main page of the mastermind and go to Systems, down to EV Maximiser. And we'll see that this is actually focused on casino offers. We can actually go ahead and click on training here. So on the training, then it's going to give us like what is EV, money management, casino bonus checklist, and all these advanced sort of strategies as well included in there. Then at number 7, we have the Betfair Sniper system, which is actually a Betfair trading system that is clearly written out on exactly how to use it on here. Now, I can't show you exactly what that entails because it is copyrighted material, so I would get in trouble if I did that. But yeah, that's just another thing included there. Then we have the Betfair Renegade software, so I'll just go ahead and load that up to show you what that is. So this Betfair Renegade software then is actually a software specifically for football betting, where it's going to show you bets that you can take on the Betfair exchange, and it's going to give you the odds that are currently at Betfair and then the BR odds, so the Betfair Renegade odds here. So you can see that there's a fair few matches here. For example, let's just see, getting on this team here, this Portuguese team. Back odds of 4.5 currently at Betfair, with a Betfair Renegade odds of 4.1. So that's a 5.2% match there that you can just place that as a back bet at the Betfair exchange and then not need to lay it. That's then a value bet there that this software has found for you. Scrolling down then to number 9, we have the Bookie Blowout system. So it says no bookie offers needed. With this tool, you'll be betting on horses that I send to you the night before via email and then lay them off the next day to make a profit. So you basically go over to systems and then Bookie Blowout. And then, yeah, as it said, you sign up to the mail list here through the software, and then you'll get an email and place the back bet at the bookmaker. And then the next day, when the odds have drifted below the back odds, so the lay odds have gone lower, you can then trade out of that bet over at the exchange and take a guaranteed profit. Down to number 10 then, we have the Betfair 1% Club, which is another Betfair trading system that I can't show you on here with it being copyrighted, but it is a very good system that I've been reading through, and it's very interesting. So we have that at number 10. Then at number 11, we have the Project Prosperity training system. And that is basically, if we scroll down on the main page here, it's this video here. So an hour and a half long, like live training. It's obviously not live now, but it was recorded live. But it's an hour and a half training video, which takes you through everything you need to know about using the Mastermind system and everything that's on there, basically. Number 12, we have the Betfair Match Betters exploit, and that is basically whenever a bookmaker is giving some kind of price boost, match bettors will of course go and lay those off at the exchange to take guaranteed risk-free profits. But what that can actually do is raise up the back odds at the exchange and push the odds into our favor. So hence why it's called the Match Betters exploit. That's a software where it literally will show you which ones are higher up, back odds at the exchange, so that you can place those back bets and just get value from the exchange there. Then down at number 13, we have the Accumulator Booster system. So as it says here, combining value selections in an accumulator to double your edge over the bookmaker and explode your profit. And basically, if we go over to the system here, and then go to Accumulator Booster. There is a video explaining how it works there, and then you can go over to the software, and it's really powerful stuff, really, that's included in the Mastermind. Number 14 is going to be the Dutching Bounty software. So we can go over to the software tab here, go to Dutching Bounty, and this software is actually going to allow you to back horses each way and with various bookmakers and cover the entire field and then lock in a guaranteed profit no matter what the outcome. Now we can see here on this first example there wouldn't be any value from that race that it's loaded up, but you can go through these, refresh the matcher, and then find races where you can actually back every horse in the race to make a profit no matter what using that Dutching Bounty software. Then at number 15 we have the Golden Parachute method, which is another sort of software that will allow you to back multiple horses in a race, but it's going to give you the horses that are at bookmakers where best odds guaranteed is being paid. So you're getting a very low qualifying loss to back all the different horses, and then when a horse wins and the odds have gone higher and you get paid out that best odds guaranteed, that's where your profit will come from in that Golden Parachute method. And then number 16 is simply the notification system. So over on the Mastermind here, we can see notifications, and there's currently 45. And you can scroll through and see that these are all very recent here. So it's providing you with 2-up notifications there, Bet365 Paddy Power 2-ups, any kind of free bets or offers there, reload offers. So you can just click notifications and then select the offer or the 2-up, for example, and then just complete that and take the profit from it. But that is going to do it for this video. That's all of the 16 things that you get included in Mastermind. I'll be interested to know your thoughts down in the comments section below. And of course, if you've had any value from this video, please do press the like button. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.